We are talking tonight about something called gap insurance in this edition of The Law and You. Back with us tonight, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, great to see you tonight.
Do you know what gap insurance is?
I honestly don't. So,
right.
yeah, for
Today's
doing
the
these
day.
Law and You
Today's the
segments for a
day.
couple of years, I get to learn something new tonight, and so do you. Here's our question. This is from Tara in Tobyhanna, and Tara wants to know, what is gap insurance, and do I need it when I'm buying a new car? So let us in on the details here. What are we talking about with gap insurance?
So basically, gap insurance comes into play whenever you lease a vehicle. So if you're going to lease a vehicle, you know, it basically there's a gap between the purchase price and what the vehicle is, what the vehicle is worth. So if you were to get involved in an automobile crash in a leased vehicle where the vehicle was totaled, then you would owe more than the vehicle is worth. So what you want to have is insurance to cover that gap between the difference between what the purchase price of the vehicle is and what the vehicle is actually worth, or what you owe and what the vehicle is worth. That's very simply gap insurance.
Now, is this in addition to traditional auto insurance?
It is, and you want to have all the same coverages, but this really applies only when you have a. It could apply if you own the vehicle as well.
I think purchase or lease, but it's a gap that occurs between the value of the car when you purchased it, because it depreciates, and then you could drive off the lot brand new, get hit, car's totaled, your car depreciated, $5,000. That's not going to be covered. So that's what happens. That's why they offer it to you at the time of purchase or lease. So all your other insurance stuff applies: full tort, uninsured motorist. You need all that stuff, and you got to make sure you have confirmed coverage when you buy or lease a car before you leave the lot. You generally have 30 days to put it on, but the dealerships must make sure you have that coverage before you leave.
All right, good advice. And our viewers that want to talk to you about insurance, how can they reach you?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
And we tell people this all the time. If you email us your deck page, we'll be more than happy to review your policy at no charge whatsoever. Our email address is right here on the screen. It takes about 10 minutes. I'll shoot you an email back just letting you know what coverages you have and what coverages we think you need.
All right, good advice. Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, have a good night.
Thank you.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.